Welcome to the Northern Territory Workers' Compensation Scheme. This short presentation will explain your workers' compensation insurance obligations as an employer, including why you need workers' compensation insurance, when you need to obtain a policy, and who you need to cover. Workers' compensation insurance reduces the impact on your business of a work-related physical or mental injury, including diseases. Workers' compensation insurance covers the costs of a claim and managing an injured worker's rehabilitation. Compensation may include weekly payments to cover loss of earnings, lump sum payments if a worker is permanently impaired or incapacitated, payment for medical and related expenses, and workplace rehabilitation to assist their return to work. You may need to take out a workers' compensation insurance policy when you start a new business, buy an established business, or expand your business and engage workers. Your insurer will provide you with confirmation of the policy of insurance or indemnity. You need a workers' compensation insurance policy to cover all workers employed by you, the employer. A worker is an individual who performs work or a service under contract and is, in relation to the contract, an employee for the purpose of assessment for PAYG withholding under the Tax Administration Act. Refer to the Australian Taxation Office Employee/Contractor Decision Tool for guidance on whether your workers are employees or contractors. Working directors and family members may also be covered if they are declared on the policy. This needs to be discussed with your insurer. NT WorkSafe inspectors may visit workplaces across the Northern Territory to check you have a current workers' compensation policy. If you don't have a current policy, you could incur penalties, and an uninsured employer will be responsible to pay the significant costs of the claim, which can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. You must take out a policy with an approved insurer. In most cases, insurance is arranged through an insurance broker. For more information about approved insurers, go to the NT WorkSafe website. The approved insurers set the insurance premium rate and will calculate your insurance premium based on the rate they determine for your industry. You'll also need to provide your insurer with information on the remuneration your business pays. This will also look at your workplace safety systems and previous claims history to determine your workers' compensation premium. As an employer, your claims obligations include sending the claim form to your insurer within 3 working days of receiving it from an injured worker, making payments to the injured worker as directed by the insurer. As an employer, your return-to-work obligations include ensuring that suitable employment is provided to the worker in accordance with the Fitness for Work medical certificate, ensuring that efforts to retrain the worker are undertaken if required to enable the worker to engage in suitable employment, giving a proposal in writing for a return-to-work plan to the worker within 7 days after the employer becomes aware that the worker's total or partial incapacity is likely to exceed 28 days. We have a range of publications and resources to assist you. These are available on the NT WorkSafe website, including workers' compensation insurance requirements for employers and employers' guides to workers' compensation.